All right, so today we're going to try and draw a little family of penguins. We're going to do 3 penguins.
I only want to do one.
Okay, you do 1, I'm going to do 3. We're going to draw them the exact same way. We're going to draw 1 big and 2 little, or different sizes, whatever. First thing we're going to do
is big.
Stop. We're going to go make a rainbow shape. That's it. We're going to do zigzag on the bottom.
Kind of looks like an owl. Owl
Yep.
and penguins
Well,
are similar.
What are they? Are both birds, right? All right.
Well, penguins don't fly.
True. All right. So we're gonna go kind of close to this. See how we have this curvy line here. We're gonna go up and go to the middle and make a hook.
Right here?
Sure. All right, and then we're gonna go from that spot, we're gonna make a hook and go back down. It's gonna look kind of like a heart. And we're gonna put 2 circles. And if you want him looking some way, you can make the other circles, or if you want him looking straight forward, you can just do 2 small circles inside with white all the way around.
I mean straight.
And then we're gonna do a triangle where it's flat on the top line. Okay, and we're just gonna give him some feet. We're just gonna do just like that. If you wanna do zigzag lines, you can do zigzag lines. And then we just need to give him a couple wings. Yep. We're gonna go down and go back in. And we're gonna go down, trying to make it across from it so that they're starting at the same spot, and go back in. That's a penguin. So if you wanna draw, I'm gonna draw a couple more. So he's got some friends.
Can I paint now?
Yep, go ahead and start painting.
No, I want you to paint.
Well, I'm gonna finish drawing my penguins and his friends. Do as many as you want. Some of my curves are gonna look a little different. Some have a pointier head, some have a curvier head. All works. And then I'm just gonna add a horizon line, which is a straight line across behind them. And I'm gonna add a mountain or a glacier maybe, which is a big zigzag line. And I'm gonna put a little curvy line, maybe they're standing at the edge of the water. Maybe I'll put a little fish jumping up and do a straight line and a curve up, and then an open mouth and a curve back down. And that little fish is maybe about to get eaten. Whoop, whoop.
What's this part?
That's the part of the water that he's sticking out. You can't see the other half of him because he's under the water. This is the part of the fish above the water. This is where the water starts, and the rest is under the water where you can't see. All right, let's paint.